Let's open this 4TB SSD here, my friends. In fact, I even opened it here to make it easier to seal, and there is important information in the box. There are 3 years of warranty for you. In fact, this SSD promises to have a read of up to 7,500. So, it's a hell of a thing. There are several little things in the box. It is very simple and such. Here's our little piece. Look at the size of this here. It's what goes inside the video game. There's a little installation manual and such, how to use the screws that will help you when installing, plus another screw inside the bag, a screwdriver, and here's a metal part for you to place, right, to help dissipate the heat, and the thermopad too, which, as far as I researched, you will stick it to it and it is made of graphene, okay? So, it's a good quality, the business isn't just anything. And here's our Move Speed M.2 SSD for us to put inside our PlayStation 5. It's very simple, and Move Speed is a well-known brand in China. It's on AliExpress. There are more than 10,000 sales just for this game here, and it has many positive reviews. The store is well regarded, okay? So, don't worry if you are looking for an SSD for your console. In fact, I was looking. I need to remove this sticker here to be able to install the thermopad, right? So, you remove it here carefully, it is well glued. Always the tiger's side here, right? After that, you remove the adhesive tape here from the thermal pad, glue it nicely here, and remove the top part, and now you place this metal piece on top. Here too for an interesting finish. It has the right side here for you to place the screw, and there's no mistake. Let's test this here on the PlayStation 5 and install it to see if it will work. To install the SSD correctly, you will need a screwdriver and a Phillips to screw in the smaller screws, but the first step is to remove the PS5 support if you use the console vertically, which is my case here. Then, to remove the lid, it seems a little complicated and a little scary, but it's easy. The reference is to place the disc side up. If your PS5 is digital, just place the part of the lid with the PlayStation symbol down. Now, just place your hand on the black part of the console, at the bottom, to use it as a support, and push the cover with the other hand, holding the opposite end, and pull it downwards. But control the force there, so as not to break anything. Now just remove the screw from the metal cover, and we will have access to the part where we can install the SSD. When you remove the cover, also remove the screw in the corner, and you will remove it and a small nut that we will also use to give the right height to the SSD. Then just check where the SSD will be, put the pig in the right place, fit the SSD, put in the screw and install everything again and turn on the console. And look, I finished the installation. Let's take a quick look at this 1TB pen drive from Move Speed, which also has a digital reader. It's quite interesting, right? His box is simple and everything, that's basically it. And look at this little pen drive, with a metallic finish. Where do you put your little finger here too, which is his reader, right? That's really cool, man, it's interesting and very different. And it has 2 outputs, USB 3.2, it's not even 3.0, the thing is already 3.2. And here we also have an output for USB Type-C, right? Very interesting. Oh, it has these levers, it's not the lever. In addition, this pen drive also comes with a gift case with synthetic leather, so you can store it and take it wherever you want, put it on as a keychain. Pen drive connected to my computer. It comes here with a little program for you to install, too. It already comes with several standard files here. There's a Windows and Mac folder for you to install. The manuals too, they even have them in Portuguese. These files are standards. Okay, and then you click on Windows, install the program, and here in the encryption settings part is where you put the password, and also the little finger part here, kid. And the time is I'm going to remove it here for you to see. If it just turns on, I connected it again, it opens these files here on the PC by default, but look what a difference, it's not showing that there's a terabyte for you to put as a file, it's blocked. And if you try to put anything in the folder, it won't let you. But then, if I put my little finger in again, oh, how crazy, look how crazy. Then, it disconnects and releases the 1 terabyte version for me, in which I can put my files here and so on. In fact, I'll even copy a flash drive and everything. How do I do it here now? I'm safe. The guy will take my flash drive and just format it. No, my friends. When it's blocked like this, if it turns on, what happens if I try to format it? Let's delete it. Oh, the disk is write protected. There's no way, okay? It's protected. But if I put my finger in it again, oh, that's crazy, look how crazy. Then, it disconnects and connects the logged in version, right? That was it. This is really timely, man. I really like this pen drive.